So yeah guys, these are the backsplash stickers that I'm going to be putting up in my kitchen. Now I'm not too fond of this dark black here, but I have an idea for that as well. And so what I'm going to do is go ahead and open these up and start the process. And if I hadn't mentioned, I got this idea from Valerie. I will link her channel below. Definitely go check her out. She does some amazing DIYs as well as home improvement projects and things like that. Hauls, all the stuff that we love here. So definitely check her out. Tell her that I sent you over. If you do, go over there and subscribe. So yeah, I'm gonna open this up and start the process. And so yeah. So yeah, I'm just trying to decide on which angle I am going to put it at, because I'm going to have to cut off the top part of it. So yeah, and I think that I'm going to also cut the edges off wherever they begin to meet, because I want it to look more seamless. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. Alright guys, so hopefully this is not too redundant for you, but I just wanted to show you what I did. I have marked off on the back the amount of area that I'm going to need to cut off, and then I've also cut off my corner there. So there is where I am right now. So yeah. Guys, I just wanted to show you the progress here, and I am really loving it. So as you can see, I have this side of my kitchen left to do, and so I'm going to move everything back over to this side. Once I put my wall plate back on, I will move everything back over and start on the next section. And so yeah. Alright guys, so right now I'm just giving you a view of what it looks like in here so far. I do have a little space right here to fill in, and also this entire area here. This area over here still needs to be done as well. Please excuse the dishes in my sink, guys. But yeah, I just got to do this area here, and we should be done. So again, this is what it looks like. I am really happy with the way it's turned out so far, so I'm going to keep on going. Alright guys, so I'm going to use this tape here just to hold up my little panel here so that I can mark out my outlets. I'm just trying to line this up with my window here. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing, because I cannot see it. I'm just putting some tape up there. Let's see. I'm putting some tape up at the top there. Just a little bit. I don't want to put too much, but I want to make sure that my little panel doesn't move while I'm trying to mark everything off. So, because that would be bad. I'm at my window's edge, the ledge here, and I'm gonna go ahead and mark this off with my pen. And my pen doesn't want to write great. I got me a Sharpie, and here I'm just gonna mark off lightly. And then around my outlet here, and I can feel it. So, and it doesn't have to be perfect because the cover is gonna cover that up. So just gotta make the hole for the plug. Okay, so I'm just gonna take the scissors and cut out here, and hopefully you guys don't mind this lighting, but yeah. All right, I'm gonna just cut this out off camera because this is very awkward for me. So all right, guys, after about 2 days of doing this, and finally we are done. I finally got my husband to help me out doing this, so I got it done a lot faster than me doing it by myself. But I just wanted to show you what happens when you try to do it by yourself. So yeah, this is kind of a two-person job. Somebody needs to hold one end as the other person spreads it out, otherwise you get all these crinkles and creases. So guys, okay. You know I had to put a spin on this, so I'm going to be taking my jewels that I picked up from Joann's and just blinging it out.
A hot glue.
Okay, so right here I'm just showing you that it does not melt the actual backing. So I'm going to go ahead and continue with my hot glue gun. You guys, so this is the finished product. Can you guys see the difference this has made? I am so excited. Yes, so I have already started to put some of my fall decorations out as well, as you can see. And yes, guys, I am in love with the way this turned out. It's so nice. And if I walked into somebody's house and saw this, guys, I would not think that this was from the Dollar Tree. So definitely renter friendly and apartment friendly, or just somebody who wants to spruce up their home a little bit without spending a lot of money like myself. So yeah, guys, I might as well already tell you some of the new things that I picked up. I got this little owl here from Home Goods, and yeah, I have two of them actually. I just set the one out right now. And some little greenery that I got from the Target dollar spot for like $1 or something. You guys saw me haul that owl there. And those are from Hobby Lobby. You guys saw that. Now this guy right here is new. This is from Home Goods, and it's actually a bowl, or like one of those serving dishes. You can actually eat out of it, but I am going to use it for decoration. I only found one of them. I wish I had found a pair of them or a set, but no, that's something else I wanted to show you guys. It's just this broom that I picked up from the Home Goods store. Look at how beautiful this color is. I couldn't resist this, and so I just had to have this. I know it's just, you know, something not so special, but I thought it was cute. So if you like this color, they have them at Home Goods. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you've enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.